Hey, good morning everyone. Just wanted to do a quick video with my new QD release that are going on my pick rail mounts. You're going to still be able to buy this mount in the standard pick rail 2-piece with 2 bolts. It comes off on really easily also. But I had a lot of people asking for the QD mount. Now, let's start off by telling you that all of this part here is 3D printed. However, it is using the latest and greatest filament technology that's out there, and it's very tough stuff. As a matter of fact, they refer the pin is PC, which is very tough, and then the rest of the body is a PA12 CF nylon, and they nicknamed it black aluminum. It's very tough stuff. Granted, there is some stresses that it won't take, but you'll never put this through that kind of stress and break it. And another thing, all of my products, 3D printed products, are guaranteed for life. So if you do have a problem, just let me know. But anyway, take it off, you pull the lever, and it comes right off. I'm using 2 stainless steel pins. See if you can see them in there. There you go. And then stainless steel springs. This brass is tarnish proof, and of course the rest of it's 3D printed, so you aren't getting a problem. But I've got the springs on there. It expands the jaw and it goes on very, very easily. This is I'm a predator hunter myself and know what it's like to have to mess around in the dark to get things on. And a lot of these clamps that you get, the QDs, aren't separating that far, and so you've got a little fiddling around to get it on. This one, there's not like that at all. It opens up quite a bit wider than the standard ones that you'll buy, especially the ones from China, and then take it right down, and that holds her in there tight. So that's it, and I've been sorry it's so late getting this out. A lot of things have come up, and but I finally have it done, and they are on the website right now. So like I said, you still have your choice. I have the M-locks, I have the key mods, I have the standard 2-piece Picatinny rail, and now I have the QD that you can pick. And also there's one for the Wraith, but this is going to work for the Wraith just fine. You'll have plenty of room with using this on the Wraith instead of the other Wraith mount that I have listed on my website. So there you go. I'm excited to get this out there. I want you to see that I have locking lubs just like OEM. Those are recoil lugs, and you aren't finding that on a lot of the other ones that are out there. So I'm pretty happy with it, and I think you will be too. So I will put a link down to it to my website.